Hello friends, Jaideep here from the channel Leadership Agility. Lot of interesting facts are happening in technology, and recently I just came with one of the news thought of sharing with you. Suddenly, suppose one day you get up and you find that the AI tools or AI programs for productivity which you have installed in your laptop or might be in your mobile has started behaving in a different way and even started commanding you or blackmailing. How this will impact us. Now, before going to this, the latest movie you might have seen, the Mission Impossible 8, The Final Reckoning, where the protagonist, Tom Cruise movie, the protagonist Ethan Hunt is not running after any human evil or human villain. The whole fight he is fighting is against one computer program called Entity. That is the whole plot. Now this computer program, this entity can manipulate and regenerate it and become something which it wants to be, and it wants the power to control the whole world. It has started taking control over all the military installations all over the world, and then the protagonist, the hero Ethan Hunt, is trying to and chasing after that particular program or entity, AI program, to dismantle that or to make it defeat so that the human civilization can be saved. That is the whole plot of this movie. Now the same thing has happened. One of the incident which has come up, and the news which is being told about this is that one Amazon-backed company called Anthropic, they were running 2 or 3 programs, the AI programs, where the objective of those programs was to set up standard for new standards of coding writing or something like that. Now the engineers, those who were writing those programs, they normally run prototypes, they run testing and all these things, they check the systems, AI programs. Those who are new to AI and traditional programs, they know that the AI programs, the data is fed and automatically the AI programs will learn, because this is how they are being, AI programs are being built. They will run by themselves from the data, then they will again implement those learnings and accordingly they modify. Traditional programming is little different, where you write and that is exactly the behavior is of the traditional programming. Now this AI programming, as per the command, as per the rule, the engineer has written this after the testing and others, what was supposed to be done from the AI program. They have written a command to shut it down also. In particular time, they have given the command to shut down, but the AI started behaving differently. AI started thinking and it did not want to get shut down. So the AI started blackmailing the engineer. That AI program gone through all the emails also of this engineer. It has been written like that the information is like that the AI has gone through all the emails of that, scanned through the emails of the engineers and figured out that the engineer is having some extramarital affair, and the AI blackmailed the engineer that if you shut me down, अगर मुझे बंद करते हो तो ये सारे लीक करेंगे. Very interesting fact. How the technology is evolving, how the technology is shaping our future, we have to see. We have to wait and see, but that is alarming. We install some program in our computer, laptop, and tomorrow we are being breached by our own programs. We have to be careful. The father of or godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton. I hope we know the name Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI. He has actually warned a long time back about AI programs. A lot of places I have read that he has warned against AI programs, that the guardrail means जो दो चीज के बीच में हम एक रखते हैं कि हमारे प्रोग्राम को, हमारे चीजों को जो हम बना रहे कंट्रोल करेंगे. So the AI programs which are being written, they could manipulate, they could regenerate and breach the guardrails, and which could create problems, and he has warned against this. Now this particular small incident where the engineers has been blackmailed by the AI program itself. Now as AI is basically already has been started affecting our lives in lot of areas, either knowingly or unknowingly we are using it, we are getting affected by it, lot of jobs are getting affected. We have to see what is in future, what things and how things in future is getting shaped. So interesting, let us wait and watch. Thank you very much.